Won't be needing these anymore. The Bimmer build is back. On today's video, we'll be going over the next mod on our journey to 600 horsepower in this BMW. I first bought it for 7,500 bucks, and right now we're less than 10 grand in. Let me break that down for you. We have done a lot to this car. We swapped the clunky cat out with a catless downpipe option. We threw in a big intake. We put an upgraded intercooler in it. We put a metal charge pipe in it. We put a cutout in the exhaust system, and we tuned the shit out of it. Oh, and the 85, of course. All these mods so we could do stuff like this. But on today's video, the Bimmer's getting new wheels and tires. I think this ghetto half and half look has run its course and it's time to move on. And if you don't know why the wheels look like this right now, well, let me tell you. So basically a few weeks ago, I was driving on the freeway and this truck dropped this big black rod out of it and, well, blew up my rear rim. I mean, it cracked it completely. So right now I'm running 2 stock rims, 2 aftermarket rims. And with our friends at Aodhan Wheels, this thing's getting an upgrade. And let's just say we're doing a new color.
Let's see what we got inside. So just cut this. Okay. Don't need that. Okay, so clearly this is super wrapped. There you go. This is stuck in the thing.
We will know. We'll be able to take it out of the box.
There we go.
Look at that, dude. I love that. I love the color.
Got a bronze wheel. I think these bronze wheels are gonna fit really nicely with the new theme of this car.
I absolutely love the look of these things. I think it's gonna be a great addition to the car. And the color is really gonna help spice this up. So let's load it up in Noah's work truck and go get these things mounted and balanced. Oh, I feel like we did this the other day. Oh. Okay, gotta go grab the other rims.
By the way, half of the roll cage came from the Mustang, so we'll be putting that on our NASCAR Mustang very soon. So stay tuned for that video, which will be coming out pretty soon.
They're on, baby. Man, they look good. I think the bronze was the way to go.
One day later.
You're already cleaning the brand new wheels?
Yeah, dude. Gotta keep them looking nice and shiny.
Why do you look like Burt Reynolds?
I do?
Yeah, dude.
Oh.
Oh my god, what is this?
What?
What's up with you? There's something different about you. I just don't know what it is. But what the hell is this?
It's my Trans Am, baby.
It's a trans something, that's for sure.
It's all done. What do you think?
Man, I don't hate it. I think we need to go drive this thing. Actually, you know what? This thing's missing something right around here.
I know just the thing. Oh, we broke one, but we're good to go. Ooh. Okay, now for the second one. So apparently you just pull. Oh, gosh, that sounds terrible. Fuck. I mean, fuck. There we go. Okay. What are you laughing at? So when I got the car, it had these red strap bars, and it looks like they're just wrapped red. Well, lucky for me, I got some bronze wrap, so let's wrap this fucker. Hey, you're probably gonna need this knife now to cut the wrap.
That's not a knife. This is a knife.
What the? What are you doing? I'm Burt Reynolds.
No, I'm Burt Reynolds.
No, I'm Burt Reynolds.
No, I'm Burt Reynolds.
This is my car.
Well, I got the fake mustache.
I have a real mustache. Howdy, partner. Hold this right here. There we go. We're gonna just basically take this wrap and put it right over those support struts. We're not even gonna remove the old wrap because why waste our time?
So he's applying the wrap right now, and he's also covering the shot.
All right. Go ahead and cut the excess wrap off. Out. Almost done applying the new bronze wrap. I mean, we're transforming this car here. Okay, how's that look? Does it look better?
Looks the same.
What do you mean looks the same?
Looks like the same color right now.
What you mean looks the same? And the final touches. You know I couldn't put it back on the same way. There we go. What's more gangster than gold grills? Gold grills. Gold grills.
Since we're the first people in the world to make a Bandit BMW, they don't sell parts for this, so we had to make our own parts.
Custom.
Yep. And there we go. Now to the other side.
Boom. You just broke a piece off. Nice.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
This is the most ghetto but cool thing ever. Like, it's, I know spray painting it is like complete crap, not the right way to do it, and this may seem as ricey as we can get, but I like it. I'm just gonna say it. I don't give two flying fucks. This is cool. This is badass.
Oh my gosh. Black and yellow license plate to match it.
I know. Got the Bandit BMW, dude.
Trans BMW.
Yeah, it's a trans BMW. You could say that.
Well, there we go. There you have it. I think we should take this thing to Cars and Coffee and get some reactions. I think that'll be a pretty cool video. But there you go. If your BMW didn't get enough attention before, this will definitely do the trick. I think now we should take her out on the open road. Really test her out, get some nice roller shots for you.
So, where's the T-tops?
T-tops? We got a sunroof.
Oh, I see how it is.
I think I'm gonna start dressing like this every day.
Shot a rock right at my dick. Fuck. Oh. That hurt. Fuck, that hurt. Oh my god. My mustache! I lost my mustache. No.
Sucks to suck.
I hope you guys enjoyed our Bandit BMW build. Subscribe if you want to see more cool videos like this. It's currently full bolt-on, tune, all that good stuff, E85. What do you think we should do to the Bandit BMW next? Should we do a turbo? Should we do meth injection? I'm trying to convince Lenny to go with a bigger turbo, meth.
You just want to do meth.
Yeah. But even for what it has now, it's a fun car to just absolutely rip around. We've got a lot of maintenance to do, so stay tuned for that.
Well, there you have it. Smokey and the Bandito.
Smokey and the Beamer.
Smokey and the Beamer. Smokey and the Bandits. This sticker was actually pretty cool. You know, I've always wanted a Trans Am. That's my dream car. You know I love the Jag, but a early 70s Trans Am is the dream. So luckily I'm able to get a little taste of that right now. Between the sticker, the grills, and the struts, it's looking pretty cool. Look at that. Now I know the car's a little dirty because we were ripping it around, but huge thanks to Aodhan Wheels for hooking it up in today's episode. Honestly, I think the bronze was an obvious choice. It looks much better than my old rims, and it looks much better than my mismatched rims as well. Just look at those puppies. Just look at those puppies. And carrying these to the tire shop, I was actually really surprised at how light they were. And I was very surprised that it held up to all the abuse that I threw at it today. No problems whatsoever. There you have it. What do you say, Noah? What do you say we go hit the open roads?
Let's do it.